because I equal fun.
Carpania.
Everyone that knows me knows that I love Peru and I love Peruvian cuisine. And when I am on tour and I find a Peruvian spot, you better believe I'm going to go in, especially when they have a llama like this waiting for you at the door. So I'm going to take you inside. This restaurant is called Casco Viejo, Peruvian Cuisine. And just by the looks of the outside, I'm telling you, it's got to be good. Let's check it out. Vamos. Psh. Hola. Yeah. This is where it's at, man. Me encanta todo. And look, the bar is made out of Cusqueña bottles. You cannot get any cooler than that. I'm gonna jump right into my favorite Peruvian appetizer, papa a la huancaína. Trust me, it is one delicious meal. What, Nazca Peruvian restaurant, 10 out of 10 for not being in Peru. I mean, this place is close to Peru. As close as to Peru as it gets.